A lot of cleaning products have harmful toxins in them. I'm going to share with you an essential oil that's a great cleaner that you can have confidence when you're using it, and not only is it toxin-free, but that it works. Hi, I'm Katie. I'm an aromatherapist at Simply Earth, and today I'm going to be sharing you ways to use tea tree essential oil. I'll talk about its benefits and uses, how the oil works, and things to remember when using this oil. The first use of tea tree essential oil is cleaning. It kills germs not only on surfaces, but in the air as well. Another way you can use tea tree essential oil is to ease congestion. So if you are struggling with seasonal allergies or a cold, you can diffuse tea tree essential oil to help break down congestion. Tea tree is antibacterial, which is why it's so good at cleaning. That also means that it can help fight and prevent acne. You can dilute it and apply it to pimples to help make those zits disappear. Another way to use tea tree essential oil is to prevent lice. If you're worried about lice spreading at your work or your child's school, you can add a few drops of tea tree essential oil to the shampoo and scrub it through your head to help prevent lice. Tea tree essential oil is also good at soothing pain. It does this in 3 ways. It helps calm inflammation. The second way that it helps with pain is those little messengers telling your brain that something is owie. It helps block those. The third way tea tree helps with pain is by relaxing muscles. When we're in pain, we tend to tense up, and tea tree will help relax those muscles if you dilute it and apply it to the area to help your body heal faster. The last benefit of tea tree essential oil I'm going to share with you today is that it helps stimulate your immune system. You can put it in the diffuser when you're worried about the spread of sickness. It will kill the microbes in the air, and it will also help boost your immune system. The reason we know tea tree is so good at what it does is it's made up of a whole bunch of natural chemicals that the tea tree plant makes. And the chemical it makes the most of is terpenine. The chemical terpenine is known to help relieve congestion, soothe pain, and kill germs, making tea tree so great at those things. If you want to know more about this chemical and how it works, head to the blog post in the description box. Here are some things to remember when you use tea tree essential oil. If you're going to use it on your skin, always remember to dilute it with a carrier oil. Tea tree is generally non-irritating to the skin, but we always dilute it because essential oils are so powerful. Tea tree essential oil is safe to use with kids ages 2 and up. Don't use tea tree essential oil around cats or dogs, as they may have some negative reactions to this oil. Thanks for watching. For recipes and ways to use tea tree essential oils, check out the blog post in the description box. Thanks for watching.